Hey, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Pete's Shop. I got something here I want to show you. It's called what do they call it? A center finder. And it comes with some little instructions on how to use it. Find your center. Even on a piece of round stock. I don't have a piece of round stock, but let's see what we got. Okay, pretty solid. Pretty nice little see-through piece of orange plastic here. It's got a raised lip right here. Well, let's just show you here. We got a piece of wood back here. Now, this thing got two sides, an inner triangle and an outer triangle, so it only works on one side. And because of the size of this one, it's probably going to take that outer one. So we're going to drop that on there like that. See how it just hangs there? And then we'll take that old pencil right there. Let me see if I can see. And we'll draw the line right down through there. So you got that. We'll flip them over to the other corner, pull them in nice and tight there. Hit that same straight edge right there. And look at there. You got a perfect centering right there. How about that? That worked out pretty good. That's quick and easy. And I believe that might be a little easier than trying to lay your old-fashioned square up there and try to get that line. But maybe it's for you, maybe it's not for you. I think I'm going to like it though. And if I like it, I think you'll like it. In the meantime, what do you call this thing? POWERTEC. POWERTEC center finder. Y'all give this thing a look. Meantime, y'all have a blessed day.